Harper again. They closed during COVID.
All
It was awful.
Then we discovered La Fiesta, and it was okay again.
And we still
That's
gotta try
amazing,
Plaza.
bro.
We gotta try Plaza for sure.
We did.
You ever had Plaza Azteca?
That's what
We
did.
have
We
one
just
now.
got one
Just
out there.
recently
Dude.
opened.
Just a couple months
Fucking
ago.
phenomenal. You like guacamole?
I love
They do it, I love it. I'll make
Tableside.
some good. Next time we do a thing at the house, I'll make some fresh. But they do the table side?
Yeah.
So fucking
That's what my
delicious.
cousin Hannah said.
So
She said
fucking
it's amazing.
right there, and they do that shit quick.
Yeah.
Avocado.
I said to my mom, I was like, it's $13. She goes, but you can understand, I'm making it right there in front of you.
Right, like you're
You
getting-
know that shit is fresh.
You can't get no fresher than that.
Yeah, now I wanna go there so bad.
And if
It's
you
just
ask them for the
half.
seed, if you ask them for the seed and just go home and put them in dirt styrofoam, you can grow your own shit.
Oh shit.
Super
know
fucking,
that.
it's like the easiest thing. It's one of those ones that you can plant and won't fuck
I
up.
love avocados so much.
I did,
I always would put everything but the bagel seasoning on it and potato sauce.
oh my goodness, yeah, fuck yeah.
Yep.
That's how I grew up eating the shit. Salt, it was salt and pepper and hot sauce. And a spoon, that's
See,
literally.
when I was younger, I wasn't a huge fan because they were green, so I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
But now I love them. He won't touch them. His daughter won't touch them.
I hear it's acquired. My brother won. I fucking heard a man's voice firsthand. I'm telling you, it was going off. I couldn't believe it because, well, you heard when I fucking hit play.
Oh yeah.
Are you still here with us?
I wish we had. Did you bring a mag light by chance? No, it's down there sitting.
Oh, I left that one, but I don't know what it was.
That would be nice just to have set up.
I can waste that. Man,
Oh, there we go. Just because that was doing so well.
All right now, I was just down here with you. If you're still down here, you could talk through this device, and you could turn this flashlight on again for us.
Ain't much, but something.
All right, it's just you and us now. Come through and talk to us about the flood. Is that mobster guy still here?
What else, man?
That reminds me of the malfunction that
You
happened.
Agent?
Something's touching my head.
If that's you, turn on this light in front of me on the floor.
My cell phone was supposed to, I was messing with the speaker, I just turned it off.
It's really kind of irritating that
Okay, what was that?
Did you hear that?
This thing just spiked for no reason whatsoever.
uh,
It went from a 0 to a 8.5, and then it dropped immediately. And there's nothing here. I can't find it. As soon as she said, "Did you hear that?" This is going on.
I just don't understand what's going on. Why were you talking to me earlier and now you won't say anything? Are you back there, hiding?
Scared me.
I jumped too.
How about this, we're getting ready to leave, and we just wanna do one last final conversation with you, is that okay?
If you turn that light on for us, if it's okay. We're here to help you. The boy saying he felt really drained by all this too.
Huh?
The boy was saying he was really drained. Like, I don't know if it was maybe because he was tired or if he was really being drained.
Yeah.
Like, he was feeling, he definitely was feeling it.
I don't know what it is about this building, I feel like I'm falling again. And I'm in the freaking basement.
So I had never felt that.
Yeah.
I felt that when I was on the roof. It's like, if I'm on the roof and I look up, I get the feeling of like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's exactly how I feel when I'm in the basement. I can understand the theater when I was sitting high up, like, okay, I realize how high up I am. But on the fourth floor of a building, why would I go that way?
That's when you're grounded.
When I'm grounded. And now I'm in the basement and I'm still feeling like I'm falling and I'm as far down as I can go.
I'll give it a shot.
I've never felt that way in an investigation before, never. It's like something's not in my equilibrium.
Right. You're good. Now, you were so active about an hour ago. What made you change? Was it the fact that I was getting all the answers? Were you shocked about that?
It's been crazy, but I feel like something's back there creeping around the wall.
Babe.
Like creeping around the wall.
Yeah, I feel like something's like back there, like just
I feel like something's back there, like
hanging around
going
watching
like
us.
this.
Yeah.
That's how I felt earlier. Remember when I came in here, I was saying, I said, I don't know why, but I feel like something's just in this.
Back right corner.
They're just like watching us.
Yeah, like peeking around that wall there. I didn't see anything, but it's just this feeling that I have.
See, when I was sitting down, that same feeling is how I felt. Like, I felt like if I took off my blindfold, that I would have saw one right there. Like, I don't know, I do remember one time I was like, please guys, I really hope you
Yeah.
walking around here.
Yeah.
Like,
None of us came close to it at all. We all stood.
Yeah, no.
and I was fucking, I was like, ooh, like something's here. That's why I'm saying it's gonna make me feel better seeing that footage of me saying I feel like something's in front of me and
And
then
then
seeing the
watching
light
it
come
happen.
on, because it's gonna validate it, because I genuinely felt like something was walking around me. I'm glad to know that there was a fart and a pump and something else.
The fart was funny.
I was where she was when I farted.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
It was like, "Marr!" It's like so loud.
So
I
loud.
was surprised that it didn't rumble the floor because it was so loud. They're like, guys, I feel something. And we're
I know
dying.
y'all are fucking dying laughing. I'm terrified and I'm laughing.
Dying.
Come on, come out of that corner. Come over here to us. Just one last time. You might not see us for a while. So why not just give us one last show? This is what you're doing.
I am like super jumpy. You moved and I was ready to like fucking bolt. Like you moved it up.
This is what the SB7. irritating, it's embarrassing to me.
It's not embarrassing. It goes to show you that whatever it was, only wanted to talk to you. I feel like if anything, it validates it.
And now, this is not even going on.
No, that's what's crazy, is that's not going off either, so I feel like that validates it even more. Either we drained it and it's done, or it just doesn't want to talk to all of us.
Because I knew this would happen, but I swore to myself I knew this would happen before I even put those headphones on. Because when I put those headphones on, before I even blindfolded myself, I started staring at you.
Did you hear something back
I
there?
heard something back
Tell me
there.
what you heard.
I thought I heard like a footstep,
Yeah.
like something slid their foot.
So I thought I heard a female voice.
I thought I saw something moving.
It's funny. So, yeah, when I fucking hit the power button, and before I put the blindfold on, that's why I started staring at you, because I was like, there's a fucking male voice that came through. And I was like, it's talking.
I remember that. That's on videos too.
And I think that's what started freaking me out anyway, because I was like, there's talking. We have no signal out here, there shouldn't be no talking. That's why I'm at least glad that when we did the SB7 in front of Eric, at least that woman voice came through that we could say, there was something fucking talking. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, guys, are you just done with us? I keep seeing like I see a shadow on the floor or something like that.
See, I keep thinking,
I'm seeing something on the ceiling.
oh Jesus, Jim.
On the top?
Right above whatever's there, there's a
The
light.
light from this door is like right in my eyes, so I can't see.
Can I shine the flashlight real quick, guys?
Yeah.
Does it not stay closed?
I don't want it just in case it blocks.
I want to
Well,
see.
that can practice that one, I can see better.
Like I'm seeing a light up top, and I thought I saw like something walk in front of it. Might have been from the floor, just walking the light up. Because there is a crack in the wall leading to a lighted area. So if you walk in front of that, it would reflect into the ceiling.
Which is awesome, because that means something's over there. Or, right around that corner.
Huh?
I said, it's either on the opposite side of that room or on the other side of the corner.
Well, it's a dead wall right there. It doesn't go very far back.
Spirit, you're not angry with me or want to antagonize you or anything. We just want to talk.
I swear I saw a head go down.
See,
Jim.
I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks.
That's
on
why
me.
I feel like to the right,
Like halfway up
midway,
the wall.
oh,
Yeah.
Like I feel like
Is that where
I
you're seeing it too?
feel like I just see it.
So
right
it's
now.
not just me.
No.
Like I see just a black, like a little black ball.
Yes.
Just like
Yeah, peek
all
out.
But
in
halfway up, like it
Yeah.
would be like a tall figure. It would be either short or they're bent over. Right?
yeah.
Are you
All I
all
see,
seeing that too? Or
all I
you
see
see
is
something
just
else?
a head
wall,
over.
yeah. I have a very uneasy feeling.
So just touch my face.
okay.
I just scared the shit out of me. Touch my cheek.
Spirit, it's you, isn't it?
Because it something touched my head earlier.
Oh,
Is that you?
is that you that
I
touched
just
me?
saw that light go out for a
I
second.
followed it, it did too. You know, it's funny, it's like this, pretty uneasy here.
My
Yeah, I know.
anxiety level is 100. Like I am ready to like run. I'm in fight or flight right now. The smallest noise will set me out of here.
Spirit, one thing we want to say is that you're not welcome to follow us or anything when we leave here. We appreciate you very much, very, very much, but you're to stay. This is your home, and we'll come back to visit when we can. We do appreciate all the answers that you gave us before.
I know I just saw something walk out.
Angel, that tin thing, whatever that is, that's on that back wall, that's reflecting.
Yeah.
So to the right of it, after that block ends, to the right of it, to me, it looks like there's a dark ball on the floor that's moving, like it's manifesting. Are you seeing that, or is that just
Like
like?
right here.
Yes.
I feel like it's just.
Like it's like a black cloud that's like moving. You see it too?
I just feel it because it seems like that corner just keeps getting darker and brighter and darker and brighter. So,
Like I thought I saw something like step out a step, stand there for a few seconds, and then step back in.
But I'm talking, let's say go right, I mean the left. I'm talking, let me show the flashlight. I'm talking right here. I'm watching something about this size and a dark shadow, and it's like, it's moving, like it's getting taller and then it goes back down again. Like a black.
Okay, so, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Watch it.
Like something's trying to manifest
Something's
and then
trying to
it just
manifest.
decreases.
Like it reminds me of what I saw at Crescent before the apparition appeared in front of me at the block.
yeah. See now, I feel like I see it on the top left over here, like a button shadow.
That's, you see what I'm saying?
Got really bright back here.
I thought so too. I'm so nervous.
Yep.
Like I'm on the verge of like teeth chattering because I'm scared, not because I'm like that's the level of nerves that I get right now. Like something's gonna happen.
Yeah, my anxiety's like
Yeah.
on the roof.
Yeah.
It's up there.
Like I haven't felt this nervous in a long
I
time.
just heard like a thump back here that made me
Yeah.
feel weird.
It's after 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
I've watched that.
Definitely don't feel right being down
It is way too bright back here.
there. No.
Way too bright. Or is it just our eyes finally adjusted?
I don't know.
I'm still feeling like I'm seeing that thing, like.
That's all it is. I think it's like, I think instead of being on the right now, now it's right in the middle, like in the recess, and now that right side is a lot brighter.
What was that?
Wow.
I heard it.
I heard that too. I don't know if it came from that or.
Why do I feel like whenever that pump goes off, we're all gonna scream and run away?
I am going, I'm already on edge, I'm already on edge.
I'm good.
If you
I'm
fart, if you
myself.
fart, I'm gonna scream. Like, I'm like at that level of, if that pump goes off, I'm gonna probably stroke out and just pass out. Like, I'm like,
It's out, now it's even more brighter over there. Like I can really see a part of it. I think our eyes are just getting.
Can you just tell us goodbye? We can end the night on a good note.
Just turn that light on for us and we'll go home. We'll leave you alone.
Yeah, Jim, it's super bright now.
It's insanely bright. Like I think
on the
whenever,
right
I
side.
think something was standing there blocking that light out.
Yeah.
Now look at
I
it.
do too.
Would anybody care if I open this door?
No.
No, no, right here.
Please do.
Yeah, I just, I don't.
That was a cute little sneeze.
I'm trying to be quiet.
Maybe a wish list is fucking close.
I'd cry.
What?
I'd cry.
What?
That door closed.
Yeah, I'd be like, all right, we're leaving, bye.
I don't know, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm kind of over it. How far are y'all from here?
Like 45 minutes. It's kind of light that bad.
Jesus, that fucking scared me.
I'm sorry.
I know, I gotta do it too, Jim. I'm with you.
Yeah, I gotta come back here.
Yeah, have fun.
Like, look how bright that is. Like, there's so much back here. Like, the only way you're gonna block that much light is you were standing right there.
Right here.
That's the only way.
And to say that we all fucking said that we felt like we've seen the shadow manifest.
What?
So where I thought I saw.
This is what.
Yes! Yes!
She scared me.
Oh, I knew it was
You
coming.
said yes so strong, I got scared. Why is that shaking?
You were sitting right there.
Did I hit it?
Did
You
anyone
might
touch
have.
it?
No, he was.
I might have.
right there.
Can my camera see that?
Because I was sitting there.
You're
My camera can see that,
I
so
was
we're
sitting
gonna
over
play
there.
that
I
back.
wasn't sitting
I
there.
want to see this before we go.
Yeah.
I can't play it back on the GoPro.
Oh shit.
I'll play it back and see when it started swinging, to see if
See
anybody
if we
touched it.
walked by.
We've only been here for a minute. Well,
Let me see if
50.
I walk by fast like with a wind.
It
Because
didn't
I
change,
reckon-
didn't do
It
anything.
didn't change. I mean, it's still
The
swinging.
gym was right here, and I said, I gotta do it too, Jim. I'm gonna look. and
You
I'm
know, I
gonna-
might have bumped it. I was on your left.
No, so like you said, it was literally,
Thought I heard a shuffle. That might have been you.
I'm with you. Like it was like something was right here, but like in a cloudy way. It's
Yeah,
like it like it.
At first I thought this is all I saw.
Yeah, I was seeing the cloud right here on this blue thing.
And then I saw what I thought was like, and then step back.
See, to me, it wasn't that tall. To me, it was like,
Well, the first it was like right here.
that's the one that I saw.
It was just a head.
Almost my
I saw like it was mist and it was hazy.
As
And
a
when we
monkey.
saw this
I saw
manifest, this
this.
slowly just started getting
But
bright.
then I saw on the camera was just a black mass. Like step out, stand here for a couple seconds, and step back. Like I watched it move, but I
Can we
don't
see you? Can you turn on that flashlight? If what we're saying is right, we saw you. Please?
No. I think you're right.
Like look how much light comes through. So there's no way. Like something had to be standing here blocking all this.
Yeah.
And then it was out.
Do you smell that sulfur? It smells.
Breathe in.
Come on, like that is good, man. I hate to end it on back, but we're like, hey Eric, can you mail me my case or leave it in the lobby when you find it? We're not going down there.
Let's know the light works.
Bye.
Loose?
Luz.
La loose.
Prende la luz.
Okay. See how low that number is. 0. You ready? Just because of this damn meter.
Holy shit.
Fucking. I had it up to 50 earlier.
Should. That's not to make you fucking hallucinate.
Dude, what the hell?
Nothing?
It like blitzed 101.
Jesus Christ. Eyes are gonna start bleeding.
Sorry.
You okay? Oh, you scared me.
I was like,